In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change portfolio notifications in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into it. First, you need to open the specific project where you want to adjust your alert and communication settings. This is an important step because each project can have its own unique settings. Once you're inside your project, look for the blue Share button located at the top right corner of your project screen. This button is your gateway to sharing and collaboration options, so go ahead and click on it. After you click the Share button, a menu will appear showcasing various collaboration and notification options. In this menu, you're going to want to select the option that says Manage Notifications, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the notification management area, you'll see a list of members and teams that are involved in the project. This is where you can really customize how each individual receives updates. Take a look through this list because it's crucial to adjust preferences based on each person's needs. You'll notice there are toggles next to the notifications for various updates, including status updates, messages, and tasks. Here's where you can switch these notifications on or off. If there's a member who prefers to stay updated on all status changes, you can toggle that switch on for them. Conversely, if someone is inundated with too many messages and prefers to minimize distractions, simply toggle that notification off. It's important to make sure that the settings you adjust for each person ensure that everyone receives only the most relevant information. This not only improves workflow, but also enhances communication within the team. Once you've gone through each member's preferences, it's time to do a quick review of your selections. Make sure that the notification frequency aligns with your specific workflow needs. If your team is focused on being very responsive, you might want to set notifications to the most frequent updates. If, on the other hand, your workflow is more laid back and doesn't require constant check-ins, you can opt for a less frequent notification schedule. And there you have it, folks. Changing portfolio notifications in Asana is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance how your team communicates and collaborates on projects. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, take a moment to reflect on your choices. Make sure that you're satisfied with how everything is set up. After you've confirmed the settings, you can check your results by having a look at the notification settings once more. Ensure that all the people who need to be kept in the loop are set up correctly. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of changing portfolio notifications in Asana. Remember, a well-organized project communication can make all the difference in productivity and team morale. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Asana effectively.